Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Holden Cruze SRi V, stock reference number 5122. This shape runs from the third month 2011 through to the first month 2013. It has a 19 UN, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 19 UN, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiated grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left power door mirror. Bonnet has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.